Hey, so just kind of wanted to explain my dashboard here. So was able to build this with Perplexity. Pretty much in DevSecOps, we have an issue of getting a lot of vulnerabilities, and then nobody has no idea how to interpret them. Like nobody has any idea how to interpret them. They see a bunch of vulnerabilities, they see highs, criticals, but they don't know what they truly mean. So this behaves as a sort of interpreter of these vulnerabilities. As you can see, we got our repo analyzer, our context enricher, executive reporter, all of these things. And these things, some of them go and validate exploits. Um, they monitor all this types of stuff. I'm not going to get into all of it. Essentially, I just want to give an overview of what the app is actually doing. So pretty much it just imports GitHub repositories. I just picked some famous YCs that I saw on GitHub, just imported them, started scanning their code, and some of them I did some PRs for and sent them off to them. Uh, as you can see, what is it? If you look at this dashboard, risk reduction, uh, what we had before, what's after, before, after, and it kind of just tells you what's really going on. Like with a lot of the secrets and stuff like that, it was just test secrets, like 102 test secrets when you really go and look at the data. So none of them were truly like AWS keys, open API keys once we went through and checked and validated. The AI, of course, does its false positive analysis, but you also need to go back and check as well. And, a lot of it can be clumped together depending on like what the repository is. If it's clearly just a test repository, yeah, you can write it off. But if it's going to like dev, production, all those types of things, yeah, you would probably need to take another look. One thing I don't like about do using AI to do a lot of this is like you don't truly know what you don't know. But like we're already doing that. We have these SAS scanners going on, DAS scanners going on, and it's like, yeah, they automatically do a lot of the findings for us, and it's like we're kind of content with that. But it's like with AI doing it even more, it's kind of like, yes, we're finding more. Yes, we have more visibility, but what do we not know about it? What do we not know? Like, I don't know. Like, what is it in there that, we probably don't know? But essentially, I'm just getting more used to it. I'm building more into it every chance I get. Perplexity does have token usage limits. All of these APIs and AIs have token limits nowadays, so it is kind of difficult to build depending on your budget. But as you can see, it's pretty robust, and it's costed me quite a bit of token. Not gonna lie to you about that. Um, but essentially, it can help a lot when it comes to just building a foundation in application security. Like, if you don't understand something, if you feel lost, you can go to the AI and further build this out and continuously get a better understanding. Continuously um, just keep checking, okay, how can I add this? What can I add here? And merge it with other AI tools that are coming out as well. Like, I know a lot of like at least three good what is it? Penetration testing AIs that are coming out that can like behave just like attackers and give you results based on that, and you could probably upload those onto a dashboard like this as well. But there's so much coming out nowadays that like, yeah, you just need to orchestrate and kind of aggregate and just understand, okay, these tools act like pen testers, these tools act like uh, container security experts. These ones act like Kubernetes experts, and you just merge them all together, and then you orchestrate everything. That's pretty much what it's becoming. You know, you that's what product security, DevSecOps, application security is needing to be all about, because an application security engineer, that you can't be an expert of like penetration testing, you know, container security, Kubernetes security, cloud. You need to kind of centralize things, merge things, and put things under your control and manage it more than doing it and busting out tests every day. So that's essentially it. This is what I was able to build with Perplexity. I'm probably gonna go deeper, dive deeper, just continuously to build my understanding. But that's essentially it.